The manner of selection of independent director and maintenance of data bank of independent director. Subject to the provision of subsection 5, 149 of independent director may be selected from the data bank and may be selected. A data bank containing names and address and qualification of the member person who is eligible for willing to act as independent director maintained by a body, institution, association as may be notified by a central government having expertise in creating and maintenance of data bank and put on the website and use of the company is making appointment of such director. Provide a responsibility of exercising due diligence before accepting a person from data bank. The floor to be above or independent director shall lie on the company making this appointment. Appointment of independent director shall be approved by the company. Appointment of independent director shall be approved by the company in the general meeting. The general meeting provided by the section 2.52. An explanatory statement annexed to the notice of the general meeting consider the call to be considered and said appointment shall be indicate the justification for choosing the appointee for the appointment of independent director. So general meeting we should say we are going to select this person, and we also say why we are selecting him. Justify him why he is qualified to be independent director for this company. Data bank refer under subsection 1 shall create and maintain data of the persons willing to act as independent director according with the rules as we prescribed. The central government may prescribe the manner and procedure of selection of independent director who fulfill the qualification requirement of the specified under Section 149. Exemption, modification, adaptation, except 150 shall not apply.